right, guys, we just pulled out a monster nugget. We had to hurry up and turn on the camera just in case we get more. All right, let me go ahead and get you guys set up. That way you can watch. Hopefully we pull out some more out of this hole. Can we see the spot? Yeah, we can. Perfect. All right, guys, let's do it. Look at that one. You got one now, too. I told you there's probably more in that hole.
Let's do it.
Didn't I tell you to shovel all the stuff out the way?
I'm going to put this right here. Secure it.
All right, next one's mine.
This guy right here want to pull out his...
Look, there's about to be a monster one come out now. It's about to be a 400-pound nugget now. Yo, Anwar was like, he thought it was more trash. And then I saw that gold.
Yeah, I saw it.
I was like, oh. Didn't I tell you there was probably gonna be some off this big old drop?
Should I use this or just use the shovel?
Just use the shovel. There's more down. Use the regular shovel. Oh yeah, this is shovel in the pan to be safe.
Yeah.
There you go.
And I was gonna use the little scoop.
Yeah, put it in there. It's like on the corner.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I saw a small flake in
Where?
the pan before I put that shovel in there.
A snake?
No, a flake, like a little flake. Like a little flake on the bottom of the pan.
Oh, might have been. We're getting closer.
We got both our eyes are looking at this. We got something out.
It's not what was going off, it's something.
Yeah, something else.
Something else.
I mean, we can continue looking at this, look for this, and then we go back.
Hold on, let me feel it. Hold this.
I think there's like a lot of dirt.
Oh, there's bedrock right here.
Oh, man. Don't do that. You might want to feel it, check it on the thing.
I know, we're just going to put it in there and then check. It's literally bedrock right here, and it's cracking apart. And there's hard pack in it.
But you already know it's a nugget in there.
Yeah, since we got one, there's another one here.
Where's the phone now? Okay, so right behind you. You want to put it like up here maybe?
It'll get it.
Or you like right in front of it though?
Oh, bro, I feel a nugget the size of my hand down here. All right, here, let me check. Take this. Yeah, whatever it is, it's still down there. Hold this. Let me see. And what sucks is there's water, so we can't see the bedrock.
So now just use the pull back and try to crack something out. See if I can crack something out.
I can feel the bedrock. Alright, let's see. I'll move the shovel. Sounds like there's baby gold in there. Like little flakes. Whatever it is though, is down there. To be safe, let me go and check that. That's all quartz. Watch out. Oh, it's right here. It's right here.
What can you feel on there?
Bedrock. with crevices in the bedrock.
Let me see if I can crack something out of there.
Oh, hard pack coming out the bedrock. See the mud?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay.
Right here, whatever it is.
Let me see. Well, none of this is gonna come off the shovel. What should I put this over here?
Yeah. I think there's a lot of gold in it. Like there's flour too, is what I'm thinking. Like we're still waiting to try to get the nugget out, but I think there's flour down there. Here it is. Next time, the next thing, just pull it and put it over here.
Yeah.
Just put it above the thing to see if there's anything in it. Nope. You feel the bedrock, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what we do have in the? We have the pinpointer, I think. Oh no, where was it?
I don't know if you should have it though, because I know the battery.
Might be in the backpack somewhere. I gotta fucking tighten this. This thing is pissing me off. There it is.
Nugget.
There it is. Okay, put it over. Nugget, guys. That's what we were looking for.
Try to go back down and see. All right, next one is mine.
That's what we're doing.
Is there anything in there? Hold on. Let me see you get a hit. Let's see you get a hit.
Yeah, there's more hits.
All right.
There's loaded with nuggets
Bro,
in this
I wonder
spot.
how many other nuggets out there.
Look at these guys. Hold on, can they see it?
You should be able to.
Look at that nugget, guys. This spot is loaded. Hold on. All right, guys, doing a quick video on the way out. Here's my nuggets. Here's Anwar's nuggets. Total 7 nuggets today. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. We killing it. Look at these nuggies. Man. Man, oh, man. All right, guys, we got home. Let's go ahead and see how much gold we got total today. We're on grams, zeroed out. Here's the nuggets that we got. There's the big one. About 6.6 for that one. And we got a total of 10.4 grams. There's all the nuggets. Let me turn up 10.5. 10.5 grams, and that was just my nuggets. We probably got about a half an ounce today between me and Anwar. Boom, that's a good cleanup, guys. That's a good cleanup. That's what I'm talking about. One day, only about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and we got a half an ounce.